Hey guys, it's me Elise and I hope that you guys are all doing well. Welcome back. So I have a new wig from UNice and they are available on Amazon Prime. I will have all the information, details, and links listed in the info section below. So here is the wig that I have. I have their Kinky Curly Kinky Edge Lace Frontal Wig. My wig is 20 inches long, 180% density. It's also pre-plucked and is lightly bleached just along the very center of the wig, as you guys can see. It also has the removable adjustable strap and the lace is transparent, so you are going to need to tint it in order to get it to match with your skin tone. So per usual, I like to put the wig on prior to me doing anything to it, just to kind of let you guys see how the wig looks fresh out of the box, as well as to kind of look at it to see if anything needs to be done. Now I do notice that the kinky edges kind of are a little frizzy and they do define more with water, and I will be going in and bleaching the knots per usual just to kind of get that to look a little more realistic. So I'm going to start off using my BW2 powder and my 20 volume developer. I'm just going to bleach the knots and then shampoo and condition. As mentioned before, you can find this wig on Amazon Prime. You can also save an additional 8% when you're adding the wig to your cart, and if you use my discount code, which is UNice Wig, you can save an additional amount when you're checking out. So now that I've bleached my knots and shampooed and conditioned the hair, I'm now going to move on to styling. Now I will be wearing this wig in a middle part, so I'm going to go ahead and just part off the wig in the very center. Now I am taking my comb and I'm just separating the kinky edges from the rest of the wig. I just don't want to get those edges lost within the wig. I will be defining those, and you guys are going to see what else I'm going to do with those edges later on throughout the video, so keep watching. But now I'm just using a little bit of my foaming wrap lotion and I'm just applying it to the hair just to further define those areas, so we can kind of get like that wavy curly look going on, so everything will look nice and uniformed. Then I'm just going to use a little bit of water just to further define the rest of the curls. So now the hair is completely dry. It took me like maybe a day and a half in order for the wig to completely dry. I'm just taking a fine-tooth comb and I'm just fluffing out the edges. You guys notice how they look more so frizzy than curly and defined, and this is kind of how my edges look. They're never like curly, they're always kind of frizzy, and I find that this makes the overall look more realistic in my opinion. But right now I'm just going to go ahead and remove that excess lace, and then I'm going to apply a little bit of my foundation that's about a shade darker than my natural skin tone. I'm just going to apply it all over the lace in order to get that transparent lace to blend in with my skin tone. So now I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on. Now this wig does have that removable adjustable strap, so pretty much you can get a glueless install. So with that being said, I won't be using any adhesives or anything like that. I'm just going to put the wig on and then just kind of manipulate the kinky edges in order to get it to sort of blend in with the lace and look really natural. Now I'm using a little bit of my powder just to go in the parting space in order to get that to look like actual scalp. Then you can go in with like a wide tooth comb. I'm just using my fingertips to sort of break apart those curls so that it looks a lot more realistic and natural, and we're pretty much done. So this is what this wig is now looking like. Super soft, super bouncy, and I kind of wish that I went in and trimmed the ends a little bit just to kind of give it like that uniform one length look. But when I was filming this video, I really didn't notice, but it doesn't look too bad. Y'all let me know what you guys think. But you guys get into the kinky edges. If you want your edges to look a little more curly, all you have to do is add either like a mousse or water to redefine those curls. And once again, I just want to show you guys that this wig is not glued down. It is so simple. All you got to do is just adjust the adjustable strap in order for it to get that custom fit, and you are pretty much ready to go. Now you guys let me know what you guys think about this one. Once again, I'll have all the details and information in the info section below. If you guys want to save an additional amount when you check out this wig, do use my discount code, which is UNice wig, to save some cash. Once again, this wig can be found on Amazon, and I'll have all the details listed below. You guys let me know what you guys think about this whole kinky edge trend that's been going on. I actually kind of like it. You know, at first it was just kinky edges, and now we're kind of getting like the kinky curly edges, and I'm here for it. It's definitely something that is dedicated to us, and I love it. So you guys let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.